Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about my winter vacation. Number 1. My winter vacation was peaceful. Number 2. I enjoyed sipping hot coffee while watching the fog. Number 3. Cozy blankets kept me warm. Number 4. I spent quality time with my family. Number 5. Winter nights felt magical. Number 6. I tried delicious homemade food. Number 7. Evening walks were refreshing. Number 8. Reading with a cup of tea was relaxing. Number 9. Sleeping under a thick blanket felt amazing. Number 10. I wish winter vacations lasted a little longer. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.